Have you ever wondered when exactly you followed that one person on Instagram? Whether it's a friend, a celebrity, or that random account you followed years ago, knowing the exact date can be surprisingly useful. And before we start with this tutorial, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more similar Instagram and other app guides and videos. So let's open the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android device and then make sure you're logged into your account. I'm already logged in, and then our job is to open the Instagram profile which you're curious about. The best way is to open your following list and then click on the person's name. Let's say I want to check out when I've followed this specific account. I'm going to click on it to open the account, and once I'm here, I'll tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This menu will open where you'll see all of these different options, but you'll want to click on See Shared Activity. This is the part where you can see the different activities between your profile and the other person's profile, but we're interested in this right here. You can see that I started following this account in January of 2023, which means that I follow this person for almost 2 years. Leave a comment on this video on how long you follow your friend, your boyfriend or girlfriend, and make sure you check out the Instagram playlist from the description of this video in order to see more tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.